Essence is one of the best affordable makeup brands in South Africa, and I'm so excited to unbox this gorgeous package with you. I've honestly always been so obsessed with their products, and I've always been a fan of Essence Cosmetics, and I think I'll forever be one. So let's unbox this gorgeous package that they sent me for some work I did for them. And honestly, it's been such a privilege being able to do some work for them and collabing with them. Let's open her up. They always package it so gorgeously. Ooh, I'm so excited. Look at that. I'm loving everything I'm seeing here so far. Let's hop right in because these products are seriously some of the best. And I haven't tried a lot of these. So excited. First off is this Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. Wanting to try this for so long now. I've seen so many girls use it. That's what I've been wanting to do, is smell this because it really does smell delicious. I'm so excited to see how this works on my skin. Next is these Blush Crush blushes, and also I've heard amazing things about these blushes. So this is in the shade Pink Pop and Cool Berry. Now look at these shades. Honestly, I'm mostly excited for this one because I haven't really used darker shades of blush. So excited. And this one is a classic, like hot Barbie pink. So this is gorgeous as well. And I'm so excited to try these. On that blush note, they included these Baby Got Blush liquid blushes, which I am honestly in love with. I only have one shade, so the fact that I get to try these two shades as well makes me so excited. So this is in the shade Pink Delicious, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. I have Coral Crush. Here is Coral Crush, and I've honestly been loving her so much. And I've really been speaking about the fact that I've been wanting to try the different shades, so beyond excited. A Baby Got Glow, which I also have a shade of. This is in the shade Rose and Shine, like a beautiful rose gold color. Stunning. The shade I have is Sassy in Silk. So I'm excited to try this one, and the thing that I love most about this highlighter is the scent of it. It smells like ice cream, so I'm excited to see if this one has the same scent. But there is that. They spoiled me rotten, and I'm just like, I'm in awe. I'm like so thankful. I've also been trying, like, I'm so late to all of the trends, so like the fact that I'm late to it but I still get to try it is just, it's more than enough for me. So they sent me the Baby Got Blush and Baby Got Bronze, these ones, and the hype surrounding these, as most of their products, is like, it's insane. So I'm so excited to try it. This is in the shade Rosé All Day. This one's extremely popular. And then this is in the shade Cinnamon Spice. So super excited to try these creamy blush and bronzers. Well, blush and bronzer. Michelle, ek laat val altyd alles. I'm honestly so clumsy. I indeed dropped this one, but it smells delicious. It gave me the opportunity to smell it. It smells like bubblegum watermelon. Absolutely delicious. Sure. So many goodies. And then they sent me a Call Me Queen mascara, and honestly I cannot ever have enough of these because she is amazing. And then the Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. This of course is an OG Essence fave product, and I'm pretty sure most of the girlies that love Essence have tried this before. Next is the Brown Edition eyeshadow palette, and these tones are stunning. Just look at that. Wow, absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to play around with this because the looks you can create with this, wow. And then a classic gel nail color in the shade Fairy Floss. Now this is such a gorgeous, like, petite pastel like just want a little bit of like color. Gorgeous. Love this. For like a pink French tip. Beautiful. This is my absolute favorite product of all time, I think, that Essence has ever come out with. And I'm being so serious because their lip oils are amazing. Like, I'm actually wearing it right now. I need to actually reapply. I love it so much. So they sent me another one in the shade Honey Honey, which I'm currently wearing alongside also Essence lip liner. And then this is A Kiss from a Rose. And then Pink Champagne. This was actually the first one I ever tried from them. I'll never get enough of the Hydra Kiss Essence lip oils. Absolute best. Essence Cosmetics and Cosmetics is I am speechless and so appreciative. Thank you so much once again. I cannot wait to try all of these goodies and give you my feedback and opinion on them. And I honestly cannot wait to create some gorgeous makeup looks using these Essence Cosmetics products, which in my opinion is one of the best affordable makeup brands out there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.